Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all will be fine and safe in the present situation. Today we will do our grammar topic question tags. So let's see what are question tags. Question tags are short questions at the end of a sentence. A simple or imperative sentence is turned into a question by addition of an interrogative fragment. For example, you are Ali, aren't you? Here, the statement you are Ali is turned into a question by adding the tag aren't you? Now, see why to use question tags. We use question tags to get someone to agree with you. For example, sugar is sweet, isn't it? Here we want that you agree with us that sugar is always sweet. The second purpose is for confirmation or emphasis of the point you made. For example, she is tired, isn't she? Now let's see how to form a question tag. While forming question tags, see, a question tag is joined to the main statement with a comma. After the comma, we use an auxiliary is, am, are, was, were, do, does, should, etc., agreeing to the terms of the statement. After the auxiliary, a pronoun is used. Question mark is used at the end of a question tag. Okay, we have to keep in mind if the main verb is positive, the tag will be negative. For example, he is funny. Okay, see here the main verb is positive, so the tag is negative, isn't he? And if the main verb is negative, the tag will be positive. For example, she didn't finish her homework. So here the main verb didn't is negative and the tag is positive. Did she? We use do, don't, did, didn't with the verb without an auxiliary. For example, see in this sentence, he speaks politely. There is no auxiliary in the sentence. Only present form of the verb is used. So for making the tag, we use do or does. So he is the singular third person. For he, we use does. He speaks politely. So doesn't he? Here we use the auxiliary does. Here you see he ran fast. Didn't he? He ran fast. Didn't he? So the verb here is in past form. Okay, he ran fast, didn't he? So for the past verb, we use did as an auxiliary. Okay, so next, here comes the intonation and meaning. What are the intonations? Intonation is the rise and fall of the voice in speaking. So when you are going to speak the question tags, it is very important to check the rise and fall of your voice. Now look at this sentence. Sarah doesn't speak Spanish, does she? During conversation, if the intonation of the question tags goes up, it means you are not sure of the answer and wants the confirmation. So I'll read the sentence again and see the rise in my voice while speaking the question tags. Sarah doesn't speak Spanish, does she? Okay, once again, the same sentence. Here you will see I'll speak the question tag in a lower tone. Sarah don't speak Spanish. Does she? Okay, if the intonation of the question tag goes down, it means you are checking or confirming informations we are sure of. So here we are sure that Sarah doesn't speak Spanish. Okay, so we will speak it like this. Sarah doesn't speak Spanish, does she? Here comes the activity. You have to choose the appropriate question tags to follow to the following sentences. Okay, the first one is you don't work on Sunday. Don't you, do you, or will you? Okay, so you can see the verb is in negative tone, you don't work. So the question tag will be in positive tone. Do you? Okay, they haven't forgotten. Do they, haven't they, or have they? Have they? There is little point in doing anything about. Is there, isn't there, was there? So the answer will be, isn't there? She didn't recognize him. Does she? Did she? Didn't she? The answer will be, did she? You passed the test. Do you? Don't you? Didn't you? So here, didn't you will be the answer. She wants to be a writer. Does she? Doesn't she? Has she? So the answer will be, doesn't she? They make a lot of money. Do they? Have they? Don't they? So the answer will be, don't they? No one helped him. Did they? Didn't they? Do they? So the answer will be, didn't they? Activity number 2. You have to add a question tag to the statement. The statement is, you come from China. Here you can see there is no auxiliary in the sentence. The present form of the verb is being used. So the tag will be, don't you? You come from China. The answer is, don't you? He had to leave at 7 o'clock. Hadn't he? He hasn't got a dog. Has he? It isn't snowing, is it? The sun will be shining tomorrow. Won't it? The answer is. So thank you very, very much for listening the lecture. You have to do this on your English grammar copy and write the date and day and your name at the top right corner and send it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.